What if I told you there was a way to make your art look good on Instagram? Enough with the potato quality. I have a solution for that. This is the exact moment where Instagram ruins your art. Yes, that is when you upload your pictures to the platform. But what happens then? What does Instagram do with your art? Instagram uses their compression model to size down your work and have it take less space on the platform. This way the whole platform runs smoother. Unfortunately, this process makes your art lose a lot of detail. And that is pretty ironic considering that it was born as a photo app.
What?
Anyway, to avoid Instagram to mess up our art, we need to take control over the compression method. And that means we need to compress the drawing first. How to do it? Well, that is actually very easy. The main information you need to know is that Instagram's ideal photo width is 1080 pixels. That means that when you size down your drawing, that will need to be the dimension of the bottom part of the drawing. If you're drawing digitally, you can size your image down using the same software that you already use to draw. In my case, I use Photoshop and Procreate, but I believe this feature is available to all the main softwares, even the free ones. In Procreate, go to Canvas, crop and resize, and then Settings. Here tap on Resample Canvas, so this way it will keep the proportion of your drawing. Then, on the horizontal side, tap 1080. This way the other side will scale proportionally. In the DPI category, tap 72 dpi. A screen can only show a maximum of 72 dpi's, so you won't need more than that. If you're drawing traditionally, after you took a picture and edited it, you can use a free software to size down your work. PixArt and Photoshop Express are both good options and they are free. If you're working on PC or Mac, you can use Canva instead, which is also free. You basically just need to follow the same procedure that I showed you, or some apps like Photoshop Express already have pre-made templates. You can just select and then insert your drawing, and then it will be automatically sized down to the correct dimensions. These are Instagram preferred formats. So yeah, about that, I woke up this morning and my feed was vertical. I knew that Instagram was experimenting with vertical feeds, but I didn't know they were already implementing them. So in that case, this is the vertical feed. It's an additional format, but the rule still applies. The bottom side is 1080 pixels. We don't know yet if that's definitive or if they will go back to square format, but maybe in the future, if you want your feed to look good, you will have to use this format. Bye! Remember this every time you have to size down any of your art pieces. As you can see, all of them have 1080 pixels as the bottom side. The height of the drawing can just be whatever size you want. It just needs to be sized down proportionally to the bottom side. Then the next step is actually uploading on Instagram. But don't publish your drawing yet. There is actually another step before. The first one is to check your artwork one last time and see if there is any mistake you have made. Does it ever happen that you publish and then the next day you look at your artwork again and then you're like, oh, there is a mistake here. Oh, this is wrong. The colors are off. Exactly. You want to make sure that your art is the best quality it can be. For this reason, I created a free checklist that you can find in the description box down below. In the checklist, I go through every step you need to take before you actually press publish and post your art on social media. This way, you can avoid every mistake and have your work the best quality it can be. For example, don't forget to add your signature to your artwork before you post. I suggest to check it out. The last step happens inside the Instagram app. We are going to raise the sharpness of your drawing. In the Instagram app, go to Edit and then scroll until the end. There, you'll find the sharpness. Play with it until you find a setting that works for you. I find this step so useful. It makes my lines look crisp and just more eye-catching. It just avoids that blurry effect that Instagram causes in your drawing. You can select which one looks best for you, but I often just turn it up all the way. Stop the blurriness. Now, there is one last thing that supposedly should improve your art quality. But it's not super clear if it does, and people who tested it showed not really any difference. I'm talking about increasing the upload quality on the Instagram app. Theoretically, this button allows Instagram to upload your work full quality without resizing it. Anthony Gugliotta in his video tried to upload the same picture with and without the high quality upload activated. And the result, honestly, I don't see any difference. He didn't see any difference. As you can see, the blurriness looks exactly the same. So in the end, it's up to you if you want to try it on. If you don't, I just don't use it. I just resize my drawing first and then raise the sharpness inside the Instagram app. And that's all I do. And I'm pretty satisfied with the results. Queen. So if you want to try it out. I don't think it will make any difference, apart from the data usage in your phone. Hi guys, future Erica jumping in. I wanted to tell you that if you are struggling to get your art seen on social media, I created a short free course to help you reach your ideal audience. In the course, I will teach you how to set up your social media art accounts for long-term success. By the end of the course, you will know how to attract your ideal followers on any social media platform. These are great tools to have in this day and age where social media keep changing every day. More information in the description box down below. So listen to me, once you start posting your art on Instagram, there is a high chance you will get commission requests. Unfortunately, a lot of them could be scams. Check this video right here if you want to learn how to stay safe as an artist online. That's all for now. Ciao ciao ragazzi!